Okay. तो अभी कौन गिरा हुआ है? आप ही करते हैं?
नहीं, हम रेडोलिस 2-3 है और वो है यू का है
इमेज में बैठ होता है।
पेशेंट
रिमूव कर देते हैं डॉक्टर will
Even a small pin in your anything anywhere, it can go inside your.
Hospital Leh. With this, I would like to welcome and request Chief Executive Officer, Ladakh Autonomous Hill Development Council Leh, Shri Shrikant Balasaheb Suse ji, IAS, to please give a welcome speech. Sir, please.
चीफ एग्जीक्यूटिव काउंसिलर LSDC ले एडवोकेट ताशी ग्यालसन साहब का मैं वेलकम करना चाहूँगा, जिनके कर कमलों द्वारा आज MRI यूनिट का इनाग्रेशन किया गया। इसके साथ ही यहाँ पे उपस्थित ऑनरेबल एग्जीक्यूटिव काउंसिलर ताशी यागजी साहब का भी मैं वेलकम करता हूँ। इसके साथ में श्री पवन कोतवाल, प्रिंसिपल सेक्रेटरी हेल्थ एंड मेडिकल एजुकेशन डिपार्टमेंट UT लद्दाख, सर आपका भी मैं इस मौके पे स्वागत करता हूँ। इसके साथ ही यहाँ पे उपस्थित हमारे XCC श्री ग्याल साहब का भी मैं स्वागत करता हूँ, जिनके कार्यकाल में MOU साइन हुआ था LSDC ले और एयरपोर्ट अथॉरिटी ऑफ इंडिया के बीच में, और जिनका मेन कंट्रीब्यूशन इस MRI यूनिट के इंस्टॉलेशन में रहा है। एयरपोर्ट अथॉरिटी ऑफ इंडिया के रिप्रेजेंटेटिव यहाँ के APD ले एयरपोर्ट श्री मलकीत सिंह जी, इनका भी मैं स्वागत करता हूँ। इसके साथ ही MD NHM डायरेक्टर हेल्थ और यहाँ पे उपस्थित अन्य मान्यवर का भी मैं स्वागत करता हूँ। इस प्रोजेक्ट के बारे में ब्रीफ में मैं 2 लाइन बताना चाहूँगा कि 11 सितंबर 2019 को LSDC ले और एयरपोर्ट अथॉरिटी ऑफ इंडिया के बीच MOU हुआ था, जिसके तहत CSR में एयरपोर्ट अथॉरिटी ऑफ इंडिया ने 12 करोड़ 78 लाख की लागत के तहत ये 1.5 टेस्ला कैपेसिटी के हमारे यूनिट का इंस्टॉलेशन यहाँ पे हुआ है। इसके साथ ही जो MRI यूनिट के अदर कॉस्ट है, बिल्डिंग और बाकी अभी तक 1 करोड़ 30 लाख का फंड अवेलेबल करवाया था, जिसके तहत बाकी काम हुआ है, और भी जो रिक्वायरमेंट है वो डिस्ट्रिक्ट कैपेक्स के थ्रू पूरा करने की हमारी कोशिश है। तो मुझे खुशी है कि आज ये हमारा यूनिट हमारे लेह डिस्ट्रिक्ट के और लद्दाख के वासियों के लिए आज हम समर्पित कर रहे हैं, और मुझे आशा है कि इसका लाभ ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा यहाँ के सिटीजन्स को होगा। फिर से मैं सारे यहाँ पे उपस्थित गेस्ट का स्वागत करता हूँ।
technique that uses strong magnetic fields and radio waves to produce detailed images of the inside of the body. MRI scanner is a large tube that contains powerful magnets. You lie inside the tube during scan. Water molecule is made of hydrogen and oxygen. We all know the hydrogen atom are the part that makes water interesting for MRI. The images are so detailed because our body made up of about 60% water, so we have lots of signal to measure. Hydrogen nuclei in our body behaves like a compass needle that are partially aligned by strong magnetic field. in the scanner. The nuclei can be rotated using radio waves and they subsequently oscillate in the magnetic field while their magnetization return to equilibrium. Simultaneously, they emit radio signals. This is detected using antennas coils which we use in MRI and can be used for making detailed image of body tissues. MRI, like CT scan, have similar uses. Like CT scan use X-ray and ionizing radiations with potential to affect biological tissues, while MRI uses strong magnetic fields and radio waves. CT scan is more common and less expensive, while MRI scans are not invasive but they are noisy, take more time and cause claustrophobia, generating anxiety. MRI scanner may cause safety issues due to its strong magnetic field, due to reaction to metallic like cardiac pacemaker, aneurysm clips, body implants, and any metallic devices that can interact with the magnetic field.
It gives me immense pleasure to be with you, celebrating this moment of inauguration of MRI machine at Sonam Narbu Hospital, Leh. Really, this is a privileged moment for me to be with you all. I could find out from Google that this hospital is Ladakh is providing indoor medical services since 1940. But now it's 2021, we are having this equipment obviously given supported by Airports Authority of India, which is looking after 137 airports in India and doing its service to the nation through corporate social responsibilities in many terms. This is one of the occasions. At least in Nubra, Airports Authority of India is having special affection for this area. We are having 4 projects of CSR in this area. One is obviously this MRI scheme, in which we have allotted about 12.77 crore rupees for that. And we have already paid 90% of the amount, and 10% amount is to be paid after this inauguration and after utilization certificate is received from office. Another, we had solid waste management in Ladakh that was costing about 62 lakh rupees. Then milk pasteurization plant was there, that was 49.8 lakh rupees. And we have provided ultrasound machines in Nubra as well as Khalsi, and we are likely to provide one digital X-ray machine also. Obviously, though it is a statutory requirement as per Indian Act, you have to spend 2% of your last 3 years average profit in case you are having profit of something around 50 crores or more, or if you are a company of 500 crores or more. But the selection of the area and selection of the facilities which are given, that makes a lot of difference. And obviously I expect in this area this was a very big requirement, because we are having trekkers also, mountaineers also, and winter track also. So at times this is one of the best medical equipment which we can have in Lura. I am here for the last 7 months. The best thing which I have felt is the affection of the people. Everybody is so simple and everybody is so cooperative and everybody is so forthcoming to help. This is one, please keep it up. Please keep it up. I mean, this is the best culture which I have ever seen in my life.
CT scan allows you to see the entire brain anatomy and produce clear picture when examining spinal cord. MRI doesn't use ionizing radiation.
Request Dr. Bhuvan Kotwalji, the Principal Secretary for the UT of Ladakh, to please.
The person who signed the MOU with the Airport Authority of India to have this MRI here at the Sonam Narbu Memorial Hospital. All distinguished guests, the faculty and the staff of the SNM hospital, the director, medical superintendent, CMO, and the engineers who have done it. Today is really a very important day in the history of this hospital, because the topmost of the facility of an MRI has been just installed and commissioned today here. And as we have been told by the concerned specialist that this is a technique, or this is an equipment which can show the inside of the body without any exposure, much exposure to radiation. Because we started with X-rays. X-ray was a revolutionary thing in its own day, when you could see what is inside the body, but it had its limitation. There was an exposure due to X-ray which was harmful to the body. It could lead to some problems, like even some cancerous things. Then came the CAT scan, which was a much advanced than the X-rays, but it also, it's also works around the X-ray radiations or the radiations. But now it is a magnetic equipment, I am told, and I am a qualified doctor, but not a radiologist. So this is a high-end thing, and this is the desire of, this is the purpose of desire, the objective of the government, the LSDC here, the administration here, that Ladakh should get the best of the facilities which are available in the world. Whether it is equipment, whether it is anything, whenever you buy the best, and I'm very sure that this equipment is the best in its class. It has come up very fast. Last time in the month of April, when I visited the hospital, it was my first visit to the hospital, and I just had a look at the building, which was incomplete, under construction. I asked, what is it? They said this is MRI facility being built up. So I requested the DC, I asked the engineers to please complete it quickly, and now today you have this facility. So the health department of Ladakh whole has many things to feel proud of and celebrate, like the way we have tackled the COVID threat, the way we have vaccinated people, the way now the vaccination, we will achieve full vaccination by end of October. I think my doctors would tell that but for this mandatory gap of 84 days between the first dose and the second dose, we would have finished even the second dose, but now we have to wait for those 84 doses between the first and second. So I am very hopeful that by end of October, the whole population of Ladakh, more than 18 years, the population above 45 has already been fully vaccinated, but the above 18 population would be fully vaccinated. So that gives us a comfort that whether there is a variant which will hit us, you never know about this virus, but at least we have this confidence that we are all fully vaccinated, and we are keeping a close watch on the people who are visiting us by close screening. So there are many things to celebrate. This vaccination has always been a very difficult job. It has been very challenging. People have to go, they have to walk sometimes miles together to reach a person to vaccinate him. Our vaccinators have done a great job. The administrators, the CMO and all his team below, the director, everybody has done a wonderful job. We have increased our oxygen generation capacity. So we are planning that the health department and we are planning to have medical college with the courtesy of the CEC Sahab. Now the land will also become very easily surely available, and we are starting the construction of a 250 bedded hospital here. We will start construction of the medical college campus at the identified site. So we are planning that we must have a medical college as soon as possible. So I take this opportunity again to express my gratitude to the LSDSC who have been, who are the partners in development. They are the ones who set the agenda of the development, as it is an autonomous hill development council. So they are there. We are there to support them, and we hope that we in our endeavors, I as a principal secretary planning have a vision of Ladakh. I share the vision. I have some vision. I share your vision also. We must develop Ladakh into one of the finest and most developed and the best UT in the country. as somebody said, Mr. Malkiyat Singh, I forgot to mention his name. He is the donor, he is the man today. So he said that he has seen, he has never seen any people much better or sweeter than he has found in Ladakh. So God has made you so nice. Let us make the whole UT, a perfect and a wonderful place. Thank you very much.